open up your notebooks and copy the agenda, please. Okay, I think everyone's done. So let's start. Now let's identify some of the bones that you see in this X-rays. Where is this bone for 1 point? Anyone who can tell me where this bone is in your body? Okay. Where? Your back? Okay, let's check. Oh, it's your ankle. The ankle is right here. Okay, next one. Where do you think this bone is? In the back? Yes.
I think it's the neck.
The neck? Okay, yes. That is correct. Okay. Thank you. Next one. The back is correct. Alright, good job guys. What about this one? Anybody else? Hand, okay. Wrist, which is, okay, yes. Wrist, which is very close to the hand. Correct. Okay. Good job. Okay, for 1 point, how many bones are in the human body? You can tell me how many bones we have in total in our body. Mike? 2,000? 14,000? Less than that, less. Okay, in the back. Daisy.
2006. Oh, wait, 206.
Oh, okay, 206. All right, Daisy, please give Daisy a point. Yes, 206 bones, that is correct. Daisy gets a point. Very good job. Okay, so now, where is the longest and strongest bone in your body located for 1 point? You can tell me. Where is your longest bone? If you know the name, 2 points. Okay. Backbone, like your column? No. If this bone is very long, it's not in your back because your back has many small bones. Many small bones. Yes. Who else can? Does anybody know what is the longest and strongest bone in the body? Anybody else? Okay. Mike. Leg bone. Okay, which bone? Where can you point it on your body? Where? Which part of your leg? All right. Okay, Mike gets 1 point. Does anybody know the name of that bone? What is the name of that bone? This bone here. Starts with an F. Anybody? Okay, it's called a femur, but Mike gets 1 point, okay? So it's the thigh, so that's the part of your body. The name of the bone is the femur.
How do you spell it?
Femur, I can spell it here for you. Yes. Okay. Now, let's talk about the skeleton and the functions of our skeleton system. The skeleton gives the body structural support. Okay, so let me give you the worksheet and please answer question number 2. Okay, so yeah, please go ahead and fill out the first part of your worksheet using this slide. So you should know what the heart protects, the brain, lungs, spinal cord, and reproductive organs. And please be ready, I'll be asking in a moment, okay? But before we go there, let's review the answers for the first section of your worksheet. So let me ask Jeff, how is the heart protected by, or what protects the heart? What protects the heart? Ribcage, okay, yes. Correct. Can Jeff get a point, please? Yes. Now let's ask Jessica. What protects the brain, Jessica? The skull, yes, very good. Point for Jessica, please. And what protects the lungs, Lucy? Ribcage, correct. And what protects the spinal cord, Sunny? The spine, good. And what protects our reproductive organs, Kate? Pelvis, okay, yes, pelvis. And please guys, speak loud, okay? As loud as you can. Okay. Next. So now we're gonna talk about the endoskeleton and the exoskeleton. Endo means inside, exo means outside. Is our skeleton inside or outside?
Inside.
Inside. So do we have an exoskeleton or an endoskeleton? Endoskeleton, yes. We do have an endoskeleton. What about this animal here? This lobster? Exoskeleton, yes. So its skeleton is outside of the body. It has an exoskeleton. Correct. What about a panda? Endoskeleton, yes. What about this mollusk? Okay, so let me ask you for number 2. Circle the other 2 main functions of the skeleton. What are the other 2 main functions of the skeleton? Let's ask Benny. Oh, Benny's not here, okay. How about Steven? Yes, movement, and what else? Support, yes, good job. Can Benny get Steven can get a point? Okay, yes. The non-living material is made up of calcium, phosphorus. Why do you think it's recommended that children drink lots of milk as they grow up for 1 point? Okay, Bella? Yes, milk contains a lot of calcium. Very good. Bella gets a point, please. That's correct. Milk contains a good amount of calcium, so it's recommended that kids drink a lot of milk. Okay, so now we already completed question 1 and question 2. For question 3, you need to fill out the names of all these bones. You have a list of bones, but to help you, I'm going to show you a video, and the video is going to show you the names of many bones and where they are located. So please pay attention to the video, and as you watch the video, fill out your worksheet with the names of the bones. If you see any extra bones that you want to point out, you can draw a line and tell me which bone is that, if you want to. But fill out all the ones that have lines. Make sure you fill out as much as you can. So let me show you the video. Okay, so now I'm going to call some of you to draw all these. So one person will draw one of each, one bone. For example, let's go with Simon is gonna draw the cranium. So you can pick chalk from here, any color you want. And Nara, please draw the sternum. And do you have a volunteer? Yes? Okay, you can draw the rib cage, please. Then Finn is going to draw the pelvis. Finn is going to draw the pelvis. And Vivian is going to draw the tibia and the fibula. Okay, yes, that's good. It's good. Yes. Okay. Thank you guys. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about these bones, okay? So let me ask someone here, what does the pelvis protect? Let's ask Laura. What does the pelvis protect? Yes, the reproductive organs, that's very good. What does the rib cage protect? Which organs does it protect? Let's ask Danny. Loud, please, loud. The lungs and okay, the lungs and the heart, very good. Okay, now you guys can go on a break, okay? I'll see you soon. Okay, I think everyone's ready, so let's move on to our next part. And now we're gonna learn a little more about muscles and movement. So first, let's watch a video about the world's largest gym with Magnus Midbow. Watch the video to see how muscles, joints, and the skeleton work together to move the body. Okay, so that is how our muscles and our skeleton work together to perform activities such as climbing, rock climbing. Now let's look at some muscles. On our legs we have and now please open up your book and go to page 46 and 47 and do questions 2, 4, 7, A, and C. And you have 5 minutes. Please read page 46 and 47 and try to answer as much as you can questions 2, 4, and 7. If you don't have your book, you can please share with your partner, okay? But by this time of the year, you should already be bringing your book every time. I think most of you have a book, but if you don't have a book, please share with your partner. And if you have a book, no book, no book? No? Okay, can we let them borrow a book? Okay, thank you. Okay, now you guys share. Okay, you guys can share. So locomotors is your okay. So locomotor system is both your skeletal system and your muscular system together, right? So can you name some muscles or bones? Muscles and bones. Okay, and now you can discuss with your partner what the answers are. So you can share with your partner what the answers are and write them down on your notebook. Yes. Write the answers on your notebook as much as you can, okay? So write the answers for each question on your notebook. you have 3 minutes. Okay, you have 1 more minute to get as many answers as you can on your notebook. So write down the answers on your notebook. Okay, so can I get your attention, please? Over here. Okay, so can I get a volunteer to answer the first question? Look at the photo. In which hand do you think the tennis player holds the tennis racket? Explain your answer for 2 points. Okay. Oh, okay, so which hand do you think, left or right? Right? Okay, right. Why is that again? Oh, okay, the bone is thicker on the right hand. Okay, let's look at the answers. Okay, the right hand, the X-ray shows a brighter image for the right arm because the bones are more dense. This happens because as the muscles grow, the bones must increase in strength to support them. Very good. Okay, yes. So, Olive gets 2 points, please. Olive 2 points. Okay, let's go to the next one. Name 2 organs in the locomotive system. Do you have a volunteer for that one? Anybody else? Okay, over here. Yes, Laura. I'm sorry? Oh, okay, yeah, that's very good. Yes, so she named 3 muscles. So, yes, that's very good. You could name any of these bones and muscles. So if you name any of these, you are correct. So, yes, so Laura, right? Nara, okay, sorry, Nara. Nara gets 2 points as well. Nara, 2 points. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Write down all the antagonistic pairs you can see. Okay, do I have a volunteer to name? Okay, let's go with Oscar here.
Bicep and tricep.
Okay.
Quadricep and biceps femoris.
Okay, the biceps femoris and the quadriceps, right? Okay, what else? That's all. Okay, that's all you can name. That's fine. This is the list of all the antagonistic pairs. But Oscar, please, gets 2 points as well. Okay? Yes, Oscar. Okay. So please copy the answers. Write them down. These are antagonistic pairs that you can see on this picture here. Okay, guys. So let's move on to the next one. If you point your toes to the ground, which muscle contracts? Do I have a volunteer for 2 points? Okay, over here, Polly. Shin muscle? Shin and calf muscle. Let's see. Okay, you were right. Shin muscle. Okay, shin muscle. Polly gets 2 points, yes. So shin muscle is correct. If you point your toes to the ceiling, which muscle contracts? Okay, over here, Vivian. Calf muscle. Correct, calf muscle. Vivian gets 2 points. Vivian. Okay. And now let's talk about joints. Okay, I need your attention, guys. Let's talk about joints. Able to touch it. So everyone, try to feel your tendon that connects your bicep to your radius. So try to feel over here, your biceps to your radius. So it should be, this is your biceps, and it connects to your radius here, right? So touch it, you should be able to feel it. Okay. Can you feel tendons anywhere in your body? Okay, so touch other places in your body and let me know which other places in your body you find tendons that attach to your bones. And if you give me an example, you will get 2 points. So areas where you have tendons which attach your muscles to the bone directly. Is there anywhere on your body that you can feel that? Okay, so can you name the muscle in the bone? Right? For 2 points, guys. 2 points. Okay? What's that? Oh, okay, very good. Quadriceps and femur, very good. The tendon that attaches the quadriceps to the femur, very good. Nara gets 2 points. Yes. Okay, very good. Now, which color of statement is a true description of the gift? So what I want you to do here is to look at this animation and look at the colors, right? We have purple there. So which of these statements is the correct statement? So read through them and tell me which color is correct. Is green correct, red, orange, or purple? Tell me which one is correct. Please read through them first and select the correct one. You have 2 minutes. And whoever answers correctly, you will get 2 points, okay? 2 points for the person who answers correctly. Okay, I have someone who wants to answer first. Okay, go ahead, Mike. You said green? Okay. Who else thinks it's green? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay, most of you do. Okay. Yes, so the correct answer is green. Okay, Mike gets 2 points. What?
You want to share a point?
You want to share a point? Of course, yeah, share a point. Fine. Did she help you? Okay, yes. Okay. Share the point with her. Good job. Okay, that's good. Okay, so as a reminder, please remember to go to the LMS for additional reviews with activities, videos, and quizzes. And hold on, our class is not over. I have to give you a review pack that you need to study for your group assessment and also your individual assessment. We're going to put you in groups for a special project next week. So be ready for that by reviewing all the information here. Okay? And thank you. That's all I have for you today. See you next time.